my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate me, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can try me. If you wanna hate bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate me, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Picture ka dun!
Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, all, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Cottage boss, 150 lang.
Magkano cottage, boss?
Sila. Meron ka sabi niya.
Halika na, dalhin kita sa hindi kong paraiso.
150?
Magtambay habang tayo
para maayos na. Para mabayad.
di mapalagay, mapalakas sa gusto pa.
Dito lang kami sa taas kaya.
Nilaw, meron. Boss sila.
Meron na libre naman pala. Wala lang laman.
Libre sound tayo.
Ano, dito na lang tayo? Para mas maganda doon. Saan?
Baba doon.
Oo, dito sa baba. Yung mga nasa tubig, kuya. Ito.
Yung kasa floating, 1050 yung kaya lang nakuha na. Meron na.
Iba pala yung price. Dito tayo?
Ah?
Sabi tayo dito na?
Oo.
Pero dito ako medyo pang tayo.
Sige, sige.
Sabihin niya.
Okay.
Subuha ka ano. At pala yung 5 boting pinapangako niya dito na lang natin.
Dalhin nyo dito sa sunod. Oo. So yun guys, so dito 150 kapag dito sa taas. Hanapin nyo lang si kuya. Kasi si kuya nagmamali sa dito.
Hindi doon sa ano, sa baba. Yung sinabi pa ito, umaga eh, gabi na.
Alas 10.
Alas 10 ng gabi.
Wala nga 2 oras tong ano, babaykin eh. Tamang relax pa yung padyak natin.
Nakakapagod lang doon, ang init kasi. Mga sasakyan nyo. Ganda na ng buwelo mo, biglang pepreno na.
Biglang pipreno eh.
Maraming salamat sa kalsada. Kami nga ni parang buting eh. Ang layo na yung naputulan ako ng sabi. Balik.
Ayun lang ang problema. Baka pagbayaran ulit tayo sa entrance kapag lumabas tayo. Tayo din. Sir, tanong ko lang, lalabas lang ako pero babalik ko.
Patataka na lang po rin sir.
Ay, okay po. Okay. Thank you. So, ayan guys. Pwede na naman lumabas. Pero patataka lang para makabalik ka din kaagad. Makabalik ka rin na hindi ka na magbabayad ulit. Sayang din yung 20 pesos.
Target locked.
Magkano itong ano niya? Lubat na pala. So yun guys, so bibili kayo ng alak dito na lang kayo kay kuya. Andito lang siya sa daanan.
Papanood ko din sir.
Oo naman, upload ko to. Nakapunta na ako dito dati, kaso lang.
Umaakit sa amin.
Saan sir?
Secret Trader.
Saan yun?
Dito sa bundok.
Oh,
Secret Trader naman yun.
malayo pa dito?
Layo-layo.
Anong dadaanan?
Ilog din.
Ilog? Mamamangka o ano lang?
Babangka. Pwede rin lakad.
Pwedeng lakad. Magkano tor doon? Depende ka na lang kung bibigyan mo yung ano, yung nagsama sa'yo. Halimbawa ganito, halimbawa kung may magpapasama kasi halimbawa kung hindi alam yung lugar.
Pagka kukuha kayo ng tour guide, matik na 500 lang.
Oo, sa tour guide.
Pero pagka gusto nyo mamasyal,
Ayun. Depende na lang, bigyan na lang. Okay yun.
so malayo-layo lang. Pwede mo magbangka.
Pwede magbangka na.
30 ang punta.
30 per head. So, yun. May sinabi si Kuya na iba pang pwedeng puntahan dito sa na pwedeng puntahan na paliguan. Lamang sa sunod siguro pag nasa plano na pwede nating puntahan doon. So yun na guys, so pabalik na tayo. Hanggang sarap kita Kuya. Bumili lang tayo ng alak. Ito. Naturalmente. Hindi lang? Ay, may, ha?
Takot mo? Gago kahit matras ka.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them?
Guys, so chill up. Antabay lang sa mga susunod na upcoming videos namin. So kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe to our channel and like and share, comment down below. So ayun, peace out.